Hi, it's Miss Todoric. Today we're doing a big shout out to SCUM. So take a look. I put his YouTube channel right here on the front on the homepage. Subscribe. He has 5 subscribers, 5 videos. I love the banner. Very sharp. I love the color. I like the matching profile pic. Looks great. Keep posting. Keep doing what you do. Big shout out to SCUM. So it's at capital SCUM. Lowercase vx. All right, so this is the Warzone champion. Follow me on TikTok. He goes live every day. There's the TikTok link right here. Joined the YouTube in 2016, so check this person out. Let's check out one short while we're here.
In a club with some wines and I pipe down. Shawty got me out too high. I be standing on the beach in some white ones. Can't control it, I think I'm too fly. POV. You play with randoms and there's a slight skill gap. Turn your volume up.
Love it. Thanks for watching. Everyone subscribe. Let's support. Thanks for being a member of my channel. I'll be looking back. Hopefully you keep building, keep doing you. Thanks again. Till next time.